Okay, so 4b says that refer to figure Q4 and determine the new value of signal object sigvar object 2 object 3 and when the following VHDL statements are executed. So for I, the statement that we have there is sigvar is equals to integer, and we have a shift left, and we have a resize, we have a temp int 5. So these statements that we have here. So first off, we need to break this down. We have to start from the inner part, or let's try and revise this one by putting the exact value that is in these variables. So from here, we actually know that from the code that we are given, temp is an unsigned with which is equals to 0 1 0 1 1. All right, and int is equals to 8. What else do we have? I think those are the two variables that we have. So we can actually revise this one as sigvar is equals to integer shift left resize. We said temp is 0 1 0 1. Yeah, so we have temps to be equals to 0 1 0 1 1, and we have ints to be equals to 8 5. So first thing we need to execute is this inner statement of resize. We have to perform that. So resize temp int, which is 1 0 1 0 1 1 8, and we want to resize, that is, we want to resize this one to 8 variables. So sorry, we want to resize this to 8 bits, and that's basically just adding zeros in front of it. So we have 5 already, 6 7 8. So this is going to be the resize. Now after we execute resize, what we'll have in the middle is going to be shift left of this comma 5. So what we want to do now is we want to shift these bits to the left 5 times. So when you shift something to the left, this is going to be the first shift, second shift, third shift, fourth, fifth shift, and the fifth shift. After the fifth shift, this is what you are going to have 0 1 1. Then all the remaining shifts, you are going to have zeros at their back. So what we are going to have is this now. So now after shift left 5 that we have here, it said to integer. So this is going to be to integer, this one. So what we want to do now is we want to convert this expression to integer, and we can basically use our calculator for that. 0 1 1 1 2 3 4 5, and the decimal value of that is 96, which is the integer. So this is equals to 96. So we can show the workings there also. So to integer, shift left, and this is going to be equals to or let me just say expression for resize 0 1 0 1 1 8 times is equals to 1 1 0 1 0 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So that's it. Now this expression now is what we want to shift left. So shift left of this expression 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 times is basically shifting all these 5 times, and that's 0 1 1 1 2 3 4 5. Now to integer of this 0 1 1 0 0 0 0, which is 5, which is this, we said that's equals to 96. Yeah, that's correct. So the second one says 4bii. 4bii is what? Object to the 0th index 3 to 5. We want to make it equals to 101. So from what we did initially, we noticed that object 2 is an array of an array, which is what we have here. Object 2, we said, is an array of array, and the array of array is this. So what we know gaga is that object 2 is equals to 101 0 0 1 0 0 111 0 1 0 0 1. So that's what we have as normally as our object 2. This is what we have as our object 2, this one here. Now the question says we should find the object 2 0th index and 3 to 5. So that's going to be the 0th index of the first array, then 3 to 5 of the second array. Well, this is not going to be something that is straightforward. First off, you have to look at the array, that's the type of object this is. So it's actually a type of array 0 to 7, which is also an array 1 down to what's that? 1 down to 0. So 1 down to 0. Now if you notice there that we have 1 down to 0, basically what this means is that this is going to be our index 1, this is going to be our index 0 when you have it 1 down to 0. I think when you have it 0 to 1, this is going to be index 0, this is going to be index 1, but since it's 1 down to 0, this is how it's going to look like. So now 1 down to 0, we said we should pick the 0th index, so the 0th index is going to be this. So that's going to be 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. All right, so now they ask us to pick 3 to 5. So 3 to 5, since we have it 0 to 7, this is going to be 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now 3 to 5 is going to be 3 4 5. We now want to make this 3 to 5, we want to make it equals to what? They said we should make it equals to 101. So we are basically just going to replace whatever we have here as 10101. So this is the portion we are replacing. So this is what is, we are going to replace this one with this now. So that's how to solve that one. So now to break this down, let me say we know that object 2 is equals to 101 0 0 1 0 0 and 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1. So we already know, as I said, that this is going to be index 1 and this is going to be index 0. So this is going to be index and this is going to be index 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So the question asks us to pick object 2 0. So this object 2 0 is going to pick this 0th index, which is 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. So this is what we're picking here. So out of this one, they now ask us to pick objects 2 3 2 5. So object 3 through 5, that's 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 3 to 5 is this. We now said that should be replaced by 1 0 1. So we are going to have 1 1 1. So this is 0 1 0 0 1. So this is the portion we are removing, and we'll replace it with 1 0 1. So what we have is 1 1 1 0 1 sorry 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1. So this is what we have. So now what we are going to have in objects 2 now will be equals to 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1, which is this one here, 1 0 1 0 1, which is this one. So that's going to be the answer for this one. Now the last question says for BIII, we have objects 3. We are looking for 1 1 1. So this is what we have for object 3, and we said object 3 is 2 1 0 2 1 0 2 1 0, and the outer index is 0 1 2 1 0 1 0 1. So now what we have to look for now is 1 1 1. So the first one is going to pick the outer array, the inner array, which is this one, what we have here. The second one is going to select what we have inside this place, which is this. The third one is going to select what we have in here. So but you also need to take into consideration the direction. You know, that data type 3 is actually of array 0 to 2, 2 down to 0, 1 down to 0. So 1 down to 0. That's why we are going to be picking what we have in this place. So in order to write that out, we know that object 3 of the first one is going to pick 2 1 2 2 2 3. That's going to pick. This is index 1 of object 3, and inside this one we have 0 1. We have 2 1 and 0. So we are going to pick this one. So object 1 comma 1 we pick 2 2, and this one is actually 1 0. So for 1 0, what we are asked to do is change this 1, which is object 1 1 1, which is equals to 2. Now we're asked to change it to 13. So by the time we change it to 13, what we are going to have inside this place is going to be 13 2. So that's this one here. Now let me just bring back the whole object 3 again, is equals to 1. So 1 comma 8 4 comma 4 7 comma 3 2 comma 1 2 comma 2 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 1 3 comma 2 3 comma 3. We now said this one here is what we are changing to 13, so this will change to 13. So this is index 1 1 1. So that's the final answer, and that's the end of question number 4.